and everything else.
No, that's not what was said. I said, you're not having my boys, man, you're gay boys. You're not raping boys. Now ask him what they did to him in foster care. No, I haven't. Don't blame me. I'm videoing you to keep him safe.
If your children are fine...
They are completely fine. Dad has had enough. It's all right. We've got it all in court. Starmer's got it. The EU's got it. All the courts have got it. Nice to see you, brother. Yeah, he'll shake your hand, but not his. Bringing police to my door again, like at the last place. Gossips. Gossips. No, just stay out the way and stay safe. You've caused my son's trauma for 9 years. My word, you've got children grabbing plastic guns to protect their dad? You're sick. You're sick. No, I'm filming, man, to protect you from them. These people kidnapped my children and tried to take the boys, man. And what you've done, even Portsmouth, that wasn't me you went to arrest. They're faking I'm there. I'm here. Even London, that's not me there. I'm here. Apologies, boys. We'll get rid of them. And we'll see them in court. I've got you, Dean. Gay boy next door, he's not touching my boys. Not welcome near him. Or his escorts he has next door to do. My boys don't want to hear it. We've been managed move here because of the gossip. And they carry it on up here. I can't even go to the shop. Yeah, so's Starmer. It's in the email. So's Donna. Donna's got it all. She's ignored us. Donna's got it all. Donna's got it all. She still doesn't get it. Stephen Morgan has refused to represent me in Parliament. Ask Donna. She's got the email. They're even blowing weed to make it look like us. It's in 5 doors up. I can't even go out and fit. Look how many they've got for you, Dean. It's all right. It's live. It's on YouTube and Facebook and Twitter all at the same time. No, boys, it's fine. They're not here to scare you. He's fine, man. He's finally realised. Boys, you're safe. It's fine. Dad's got it. Please go upstairs and just be on your iPads. Do you want to see the document? I'll get it. You want to see the... Ask Donna. Ask Donna if she's got a copy of my pre-court documents. She's just added to the witness statement. Just add it to the witness statement. Just add it to the witness statement. That's all I'm going to do. It's nice to see you guys for once, though. He's just gone out, had someone have a go at him, and you're having a go at them. Go arrest the pedos. Go and arrest the child traffickers. Go and arrest the drug dealers. I told you that. I stood up for you lot on Saturday. I stood up for you lot on Saturday. Go on and look at your records when people are making out that I'm there. I'm here. See you all in court.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, see you all in court. See Donna in court for contempt of court, misfeasance, malfeasance, non-misfeasance in public office, perverting the course of justice. I have hypermobility EDS. I can't even get an upright scanner here.
Because they're creating the situation themselves.
Yeah, they're creating it. He's finally gone, enough is enough.
Of something that you're creating.
Thank you. Thank you, Dean. Now you might be my husband. You've just moved us here to protect us from what they did down there. I haven't issued my complaints yet. Ask Donna. No, don't, because I'm not having you come out bloody... You've got my son in here with a plastic gun. That's crazy, man. No, go and put your little plastic Nerf guns back. He seems all right. I'm trying to hide as Kelly Avis, and they're putting Kelly Cotton everywhere. I'm divorced. I came here after the cover-up at David Cameron's election night when they arrested me. Yeah, and you lot have been stalking, harassing. I've watched every video where they're putting people out that looks like me. They've even used AI to put me on some military video. See you all in court. Finally, there's a dad at the door. You can't kidnap from single mothers. I'm not leaving my boys in the house. Their dad's here, you dicks. Sorry, but I'm angry. This is 9 years of abuse. 9 years of abuse from the place I was born. I'm glad Portsmouth, Preston whipped your ass. Now you know what Deepdale looks like. I was there 13 years. They looked after me better than my own place of birth. Wow. So now are you going to take a crying reference night? All my paperwork on. Shall I show them the paperwork? Apparently I can't go up in the loft and get all my paperwork. It's not safe. These people are crawling through the lofts, man. Do you know what it is? Bored housewives. You're all at work and your wives are at home online causing shite for people, man. That's the truth. Right, Elijah, it's fine. Dad's got it. And he's finally got the core out of what you all did to him in foster care, man. Because of the march in London. And my son's not coming out because he's got no top on. It's really damn hot. And they lock us in this door through your electrics. I've just pulled it out. I've just pulled it out. No, none of us. You've caused the arguments. No, it's fine. They've caused the arguments, being at my door, making him think that I'm having the children taken. No, you're not speaking to me. We're not together because of you lot. We haven't got married because of you lot. Yeah, we came here to get married and have a family. You lot at my door, he thought it was me. He's finally twigged it's not me. Now go and arrest the people that put the website up in my name and caused you people wasting your time, if that's what you want to get them on.
And there really is. I mean, I've got plenty of evidence.
So have I, and for him.
Hold on. To take this to court.
No, we are. It's in my book now. And Donna has perverted the course of justice, and Stephen Morgan and Caroline Dinage had all my social media taken down. Caroline Dinage, Stephen Morgan, and the other one. You're dealing with politics, people. I'm the one that told you. You're not dealing with politics now, you're dealing with law. I stood up for you lot when they're saying defund the police. I'm going power to the police to arrest the paedophiles. I turned up on Saturday, all right? To defend you lot. I'm the one it's happening to. He's finally had enough. You're not coming in my house and terrorising my boys, not unless you want to see the paperwork. You don't come near me. You've caused me trauma for 9 years, man. You want to see trauma? You at my door, I'm shaking. What, you think you're going to come and take my boys and give them to the LGBT? No, you're not. And Aaron and Faith will be returned. I came here for help. No, don't, because you've no T-shirt. Oh, okay. Go on if you want to go and show them you're all right. Let me come with you. No. Let me come with you. Now, the other one you've terrorised so much.
Hello, mate.
Yeah, there you go. The other one you've traumatised too much. He's brave. Last time you were at my door, he came out fighting. The other one, they keep dropping him off. I'm not ordering it. People are using my email.
I'm not here about the...
No. You people scare the living daylights out of me, please. No. When you want to talk to me and take my statement, I'll talk to you. No. I'm not a madam.
Sorry, miss. I'm not here to scare anybody.
I told you not to rant in the house. Go to the Guildhall. That's what I do. I have to get it out of my system down at the Guildhall. I can't do it in my own house. Shiloh, come in, please. It scares me. I've watched 2 of my children get dragged away by these and me pinned, please. It terrifies me. Just come in for a minute, please. Till I feel better. He's not wearing an England flag. He's wearing a Britain flag, which means he works for them. Please, Shiloh. Shiloh, please. So I can be at peace. No, I'm doing paperwork. I don't want to do paperwork. I want to be on the park. I can't because they all gossip. It's not me at these places. I can't even get on a damn train. You took my car. You've taken 3 of my legal cars. I was on Motability, for God's sake. You can't even let me put a 700 quid car on the road. Your neighbours need to go to prison. They're bored and they gossip. Because I don't work. Because I'm on PIP. He's had my PIP taken off of me. Do you know what my skates are? My wheelchair. I've had trolleys there to block you people. My dog's behind the door just in case you try coming in. Now I'm protecting my children from the kidnappers, man. You are the kidnappers. Kidnapped Aaron and Faith in Wrexham. I'm from England. You're not going to go and get my children that are English. They're not Welsh, they're English. I only went for a holiday. I was moving from Preston back to my mum where I was born. Am I not welcome where I'm born? Where my birth certificate is? One day you're going to learn. You're going to learn what hypermobility EDS is. Nah. Block your court cases. How many charges do you want to put on me? It's all online. You can see their bedroom. People get annoyed that they've got lights on because they think I'm Islamic. I've done it to try and light this area up. I've done it because they're nice twinkly lights for the boys. I've only just moved in, man. And I've only on Monday got them people taking all the items that were broken in the move of my home. That's all my furniture that the movers broke. And on Monday, it's getting picked up. The council won't even do it. Paid. You're dealing with politics. I'm not running as an MP. I'm not running as a councillor. I'm a coach.
Sorry.
No, I'm not in hell. Halo. No, what you can do is go and realise you're in contempt of court. Starmer's got my paperwork. Donna's got it. You're in contempt of court.
So the reason we've been called, madam, is because...
Yeah, because he's had a rant coming out the pub at the gossips.
There's a lot of sham going on.
No, you're causing me stress and alarm.
Really not trying to do
You are, because you're here and you're present. And you're not here to actually protect us. You're here for the people causing the fucking stress to this family. Excuse my enculé pétamed. You don't know. So I'll tell you what. I'm going to grab a piece of paperwork.
Elon most certainly did.
Oh, this is why you're at the door. This is why you're at the door, because it was me that pitched to Donald Trump to put the great back in Britain. Oh, sorry, not on drugs. Don't take them. Don't drink. I don't. I'm on benefits. Right, I've got one in the house, so I need someone here. Right, here you go. You're in contempt of court.
Sorry, madam.
You're in contempt of court. That's all I'm giving you. You're in contempt of court.